What up, what up, what up, y'all? It's your boy Kater, aka Mr. Fresh on Campus. It's who I am, it's what I am, and I'm back again with another fragrance video for you. And this is Frag Talk. Today we got an unboxing and the first impressions. Let's get to it. Got a box, pile of boxes over here. We getting through it. We trying to run through them. All right. I don't know what's in this one. It's a pretty big box, so it might be a couple in here, but we're gonna do them all. Well, no, I lie. Depending on what's in here, it might call for a separate video. If it's a big boy fragrance, or one I consider to be a big boy fragrance, we gonna do that separate. So go ahead, get your mind right. Oh, okay. I ain't gotta do all that. Let's pull this. Let's go ahead and pull this flap. Open this bad boy up. Hopefully y'all been doing good since the last time you came in party with your boy or checked in on me. Hopefully you've gotten you a fragrance or two. See, I have. And let's see what we got in here. All right. Oh yeah, this is gonna be two separate videos. So, I'm gonna do this one first. Yeah, put that to the side. And what we have here is Boadicea the Victorious Energizer. This is your box. All black with gold lettering on it. Nothing on the top. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on that side. On this side though, you do have that good old pull tab that says pull. You know what I mean? We're gonna pull that and we're gonna see what's going on with it. On the back, you got Energizer and you have the chemical components, whatever. You got a barcode and you got a QR code. Don't ask me where it go. I can't tell you. Maybe if you want to, I'll put it right there so you can screenshot it and, you know, figure out on your own. Then you got, what else? I think that's it. But y'all ain't worried about that. Y'all want to get to it. Y'all want to see what Energizer talking about, how it smells. I do too. From what I've heard, Energizer is a bright, citrusy summer fragrance. You know what I'm saying? And it's perfect for the weather that we're in right now. Part of the reason why I probably copped it. But y'all can get the unboxing experience with me this time. Because the last Boadicea I did or whatever, I think it was Ardent. The camera cut off and I had to redo all that. But this is how it's really gonna go. This little part right here, we're gonna open, we're gonna pull it. It says pull. Pull that off. Toss it to the side. The box, that part of the box gonna come up. This part of the box gonna go down. It's gonna reveal this. Get some of this trash out of here. Yeah, this whole little dial thing, you're supposed to rotate it like that to reveal the fragrance. And you guys are gonna see it first. How's it look? Look good? Not bad. Either way, I'ma still get it. Okay, that's dope. I like Boadicea, and I like their bottles. Real cool looking. It gives like that night, or what's the word I'm looking for, where you know you got knights and armor and all that kind of feel or whatever, but that's what it's giving. You got that little design on the front, it's cool, and then you got Boadicea on the back. Bottle's dope with Energizer engraved in the bottom. The top, metal, heavy metal, real cool. Because of the price and the heftiness of the bottle, I wouldn't suggest you pick it up like that. It's not gonna click into place or nothing like that. It just holds really snug and it's not magnetic. It's real snug. So, for those of you. There's one more feature I saw about this. Got a little pull tab right here with a little drawer that comes out. And let's see what it has on the inside. It's got a little booklet. I think that's talking more so about Boadicea the Victorious. It's thanking you for choosing the product. Talking about their British heritage. I didn't know this was a British brand. Okay. And then it gives you more information about. There you go. This is what I was looking for. When I was talking about what the bottle style looks like, it says the collection is housed in a unique flask-shaped flacon with distinctive Celtic style shields. Looks like a shield on the front, don't it? You know what I'm saying? That can be customized by the wearer. Oh, I didn't know that. I got to read more about that. Okay. Then it just goes and tells you more about the different fragrances that they offer. All right, enough delay. We gonna get to this smell. Let's go ahead and get us a tester strip. Get us a spray in the air with this good old Energizer and see what we gotta do. See what we got here, because I heard that the citrus notes in this were beautiful. Woo! And they are. It's more of a tangerine, like, yeah. Tangerine, ripe orange. Real, photorealistic. Okay. Great atomizer. Pressurized, man. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Boadicea, I'm gonna cop more. Oh yeah, this is definitely orange heavy, orange citrus heavy. Tangerine, maybe some mandarin. Whatever else. I'm not really getting much else right now. Maybe that's because I'm focusing on it. But I do feel sense a different kind of presence. Got a little bit of something else up under there, some woody notes. But let's go over to good old Fragrantica. Hopefully it works this time. Been having some problems with Fragrantica and some of the fragrances I use or look up. But Energizer, let's see if they'll work. Oh, pulled up. Okay. Is it the popularity of the fragrance? Is it my luck today or right now? Who knows? Let's see. But Fragrantica is saying that Energizer, this fragrance right here from Boadicea the Victorious, main accords are citrus, aromatic, fresh, spicy, woody, and green. I'm thankful that it's not too green. I'm not the biggest fan of green fragrances. That's just me in my opinion. I'm just not the biggest fan. They're giving it a 4.13 out of 5, which translates over to like an 8.2. Would I give it 8.2 off of the test strip? That's yet to be determined. A test stripping in the air, I wouldn't give it an 8. I'll probably give it like a 7. Just being honest. It says a citrus fragrance from women and men. Energizer was launched in 2008. Oh man, I'm late, super late to the party on this one. All right. And the citrus, well, the top notes are citrus, grapefruit. That's what I was getting more than citrus. I was getting more grapefruit. Petitgrain, lime, bergamot, all of that. Okay. Lemon, musk, orange, and vetiver. That's what it was. Okay. Okay. So, I'm definitely gonna give this a lot of run for its money this summer. Yeah. And I'm looking forward to getting more from the line of Boadicea. Y'all let me know in the comments what's a good one, what's ones I should stay away from, what I should sample first, what's blind buy safe or whatever, because Boadicea, you know, they have my attention right now, and I want to make sure I'm getting the right things. I don't want no dust bunnies. I hope you don't, because I don't got no room or no time to spend no money on a fragrance I'm not going to wear or I don't want to wear. I don't need no dust bunnies taking up space in my collection. We're going to have to get through, get that on through, get it on out of here. But let me know if you have Energizer, what your thoughts are on it. just the house overall, and you know, comment, and subscribe to the channel, Mr. Fresh on Campus Frag Talk, on all social media. Y'all come pay me a visit. I'm here waiting on your comment, waiting on you to show some love. Love only. Come over here with that foolishness, you getting dismissed, you're getting blocked, you're getting scrammed. Get on out of here. We don't want it. This is a community of love and support. You know what I'm saying? So if you're about that, come holler at me. But, you know, I hope everybody keep God first. Stay blessed as can be. Stay fresh as can be. But ain't no guarantee you're going to be fresh as me. And till next time, it's your boy, Mr. Fresh on Campus, a.k.a. Cater, telling you to step your frags up, because that's what I'm doing. And I'm out. Salute.